How to make red splash mocktail. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one refreshment mocktail, and the mocktail name is red splash. Very simple mocktail with the stirring methods. You can take a tall glass and add lots of ice cube into the tall glass. After that you have to pour like 10 to 15 ml of ginger and lime cordial syrups. Then you have to pour 5 to 10 ml of lemon cordial syrup. You can use fresh lemon also. Okay, after that simply you have to pour like 15 to 20 ml of red curacao. Okay, this is the refreshment mocktail. You can try very simple mocktail with stirring methods. Okay, then simply you have to fill the glass with soda. See how the color came, very red color, and the mocktail name is red splash mocktail. Then simply you have to stir all the ingredients with the help of bar spoon. Just stir all the ingredients. Okay, see how the color came. Very simple mocktail, you can try. After that simply you have to decorate the mocktail. Just garnish with lime slices or orange slices. Serve with stirrers, and you can garnish with some mint spring. See your red splash mocktail is ready. I hope you like this mocktail, and please try this mocktail. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.